this episode, I reflect on my final days in Australia and share with you why I decided to make the move to Southeast Asia. As I walked the streets of Bangkok, it really hit me that I've left Australia behind for good. I don't hate Australia. It's my home where I grew up, and it's given me so much. But the truth is, Southeast Asia offers me a lifestyle, freedom, and opportunities that just feel right at this stage in my life. So this isn't about running away from Australia, it's about moving toward the life I want. And in this episode, I'll share why I made that choice in my final days back at home. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button so I can do this full time and share some amazing content with you in the future. Well, it is time, everybody. This is my last day here in Australia. I've moved out, packed everything up, done all my administrational stuff, done all my bookkeeping, paid all my bills. I'm officially homeless, and yeah, this is it. It's the last day. We fly out tomorrow. And yeah, a little nervous, but excited at the same time. It's going to be awesome. I want to thank you all for the last couple of videos, the support, all the subs. It's been absolutely awesome. I know it's been hard for me to pump out the content the last week because of all the work that I've had to do just to wind up the house and, you know, pack everything up and yeah, just dealing with everything before we leave. So yeah, it's a lot of work, but we are done. I'm down to 2 suitcases and my camera gear. And as you can see, the camera quality is looking pretty damn good. And there's a reason for that, because we invested in a nice little camera and we did this for you. I want to improve the content. The GoPro's a lovely little camera, but it doesn't really handle low light, and it's just not, it's not ideal. It's good for certain situations and it was good to get us started, but we've upgraded and I'm very happy. So I'm up here in the Perth Hills staying with a friend for a couple of days before I leave tomorrow. I went for a little bit of a walk. It'll be my last walk for a long time here in Australia. I got a lot of comments about not appreciating Australia, not appreciating that it's a great country and all of this stuff, which is not the truth. I'm leaving because it's a new chapter in my life. I split up with my wife 3 years ago, brought my kids up, paid taxes here in this country for 40 odd years, did the right thing, and been made redundant twice now. And yeah, so it's time to move on. So for those, you know, who think that a lot of us are leaving Australia because we don't appreciate this country, of course we appreciate this country. It's a beautiful country. I love Australia, but let's be honest, it's not the Australia that I grew up with. It's not even close to the country that I grew up with. I still love this place. I'll always have a connection to it. And, you know, and I'm just transient. I'm still an Australian resident, but I have other passions, other visions, and I want to pursue my filmmaking. It's been a dream of mine for a long time, and now I can make that real. And I can make that real with your support. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, everyone, because honestly, it is the biggest support you can give me right now. I won't just be doing the same old travel videos. I want to really dig deep into the cultural side. I plan on getting out there and interviewing locals and spending time with them and looking the way they live their life, and that simplicity and that calmness you feel when you're in that environment coming from the West. And unless you've experienced that, you won't understand. You can't understand. And I can tell by some of the comments that I get that generally I would make the assumption a lot of the negative comments are from people who probably haven't left Australia. I'm pursuing a dream of mine to become a content creator later in my life, and I want to make content for a particular audience, and I have the skill set for that, and I can't wait to do it. So I really appreciate everyone's support, appreciate your viewership, and I appreciate everyone's comments, even the negative ones. Bring it on. Always happy to discuss anything with you guys. You know, I leave Australia with a sad heart. Of course, I'm leaving my family behind, and I'm leaving everything behind, but I'm really excited with the future ahead. I have special friends over there. I appreciate everyone's concerns, their concerning comments, etc. But we're going to be all right. We're fine. Like I said, we'll document the journey. You guys are going to see everything, and yeah, you'll get a personal insight. And the other thing too, I get a lot of questions about how personal you should get as a vlogger. And look, I'm still new to the vlogging side of things, and I have to draw the line at my personal life. So again, there's a lot of questions about this and that. It's like, well, you know, we have to draw the line somewhere. We're here to create content for you. I really don't want to expose all of my dirty laundry, and I hope you guys can understand that. So, you know, keep it positive, everyone. We're all learning. I'm learning in the process, so we're going to make mistakes on the way, but I need to crank it up. Once I get established over there, I need to crank it up and get more content for you guys. But again, I really appreciate you guys, and I'm going to continue my walk and enjoy this last day here in Australia, and we'll catch you on the other side. Right guys, this is it, departure time. We're out of here, Australia, see quiet, and we'll see you in Bangkok, baby. Alright, we are boarding now, last board now. We're out. Stay tuned for the next episode, and do us a favour everyone, hit that subscribe button. It's the best way you can support us right now. And if you want the updates on the latest releases, hit the bell button there for the notifications.